Hey friends, if you encounter Valorant Error Code 43, there was an error connecting to the platform, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So, before anything else, search for Task Manager and open it and wait for the processes to load. If you find Valorant or the right client here, right click on it and end task to make sure that it's terminated. Once this is done, we just have to perform one solution to fix this. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down to the Valorant service. Okay, VGC service. So you need to right click on it and then you need to select properties. You need to make sure that this is automatic and then click on start. Okay, this has to be started, otherwise you will encounter that error. And once this is started, just click on apply and then on OK, and it will fix the problem. So this is the main solution. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.